Welcome to 22 It's official Chhatri. Today we're making a spicy Bengali classic, Bagda Chingri Masala curry, bold flavors, quick recipe, all in just 3 minutes. Let's start with 500 of cleaned Bagda Chingri, deveined and washed in turmeric and salt. Fry lightly in mustard oil until golden. Remove and keep aside. In the same oil, add 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 1 cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Now add 2 finely chopped onions and saute till golden brown. Time for flavor, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and salt to taste. Cook till masala releases oil. Now add the fried prawns back in and mix gently. Add 1 cup warm water, cover and simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. Finish with a pinch of garam masala and a handful of fresh coriander. Give it one last stir and turn off the flame.